Revolutionizing brainstorming with artificial intelligence and dry erase paint. The concept of brainstorming started with a book. The word brainstorming was coined by advertising executive Alex F. Osborne in his 1953 book, Applied Imagination: Principles and Procedures of Creative Thinking. Brainstorming changed radically with the advent of remote meetings. Brainstorming has increasingly occurred remotely through video conferencing, online chats or social media platforms, and procedures of creative thinking. The importance of artificial intelligence in brainstorming. AI betters the brainstorming process by giving idea generation a data-driven slant and can eliminate bias or present an impartial perspective. Use artificial intelligence as a brainstorming tool. Look at AI as a conversational partner in brainstorming sessions. Its basis is in language, and it is excellent at engaging in dialogue with humans. Combine AI with dry erase paint and revolutionize the way you brainstorm. Writing down many prompts on a whiteboard painted wall will allow the AI tool to give an immense variety of possible responses. Brainstorming with ChatGPT is all about the prompts. There's no better way to refine and optimize your prompts than by writing down a bunch of possibilities on a wall coated with dry erase paint. Dry erase walls are ideal for generating prompts. Just like the 5 C's of effective written communications: conversational, clear, concise, connected, and correct. There are several best practices for writing prompts on your dry erase painted wall that you can select from to use with ChatGPT. Brainstorming with ChatGPT and dry erase paint will evolve over time. When brainstorming, start broadly and refine your focus by chaining the prompts you generated on your dry erase painted wall. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at www.remarkablecoding.com.